Oh, this is SRAM DH downhill hub. Actual spacing should be 157. Wow, it sounds like a Koozer XM 490. And the free hub body, it looks also like a Koozer XM 490. It's pretty exactly Koozer free hub from the outside. Isn't this Koozer hub? Well, I don't know. Let's check the width. $297. So it's about 40 grams lighter than Koozer. Despite its wider body, wider actual spacing. Maybe it's not Koozer. And the set, wow, be careful not to. The set weighs a little bit over 400 grams or well under a pound. Okay, thank you for watching. So now I put the scale on level surface to get accurate measurement. So it's 277 for the rear hub and 135 grams for the front boost downhill SRAM XO hub.